In today's video, we're going to see how to create a simple PostgreSQL table, write a function to calculate discounted prices, and then call that function directly from Python. It's a really practical example you can use in real-life projects. First, let's create a table to hold some products. We'll have an ID, a name, and a price for each product. Once we insert a few products like a laptop, a phone, and some headphones, we can take a quick look at the table using a simple select statement to make sure everything is in place. Now that our table is ready, let's move on to the exciting part, creating a function. This function will take a product ID and a discount percentage, fetch the original price from the products table, and return the discounted price. It's a great way to encapsulate logic in the database so you can reuse it anytime. Once the function is ready, we can test it directly in PostgreSQL. Let's start by calculating a 10% discount for our laptop, then our phone, and finally our headphones. Each select statement will call the function with different product IDs, and you'll see the discounted prices printed out instantly. This shows how powerful and convenient functions can be inside your database. With that done, let's switch over to Python and see how we can call the same function from our code. First, make sure you have the psycog2 module installed. You can do this using pip. Once that's ready, we'll connect to our PostgreSQL database with our credentials, create a cursor, and execute a select statement that calls our function with the product ID and discount percentage as parameters. After running the code, you'll see the discounted price printed in the console. Now, let's make a quick change. We'll calculate a 20% discount for the second product. Run the Python script again, and you'll see the new discounted price updated in the output. This demonstrates how easy it is to combine Python and PostgreSQL functions to do dynamic calculations. And that's it for today. If you want to learn more Python tricks and database tips, check out the courses section where we have lots of free tutorials. And of course, you can support us by joining the channel and subscribing so you can keep learning and stay updated.